everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu the CD from the 6th to the 10th of June 2022 on Monday. Dombe Kaya encouraged Nokuzola to fight for her marriage. Nokuzola blames Nkuleko for her marriage troubles. Tusheleni and Nomsa decide to make a go for it. Nirupa and Tria catch Jodi as she tried to escape. Jodi reverses the spell on Tuesday. Nirupa and Tria trumps over their recent conquest. However, Shreya is tempted by a new suitor who could cause conflict. The commune rife with exes and tension start to become an unexpected headache, and Tusheleni and Makhosazana confronting Nkuleko and about his feelings on Wednesday. Makhosazana decided to act as Tulele and Nokuzola didn't we almost have it all sex. Tusheleni is resolved to kick Lindo out, but Nomsa says she will speak to her. Nokuzola realizes that Baby Nosy is missing. Nkuleko castices Shreya for her mishap in the boardroom. Lindo finally reveals what her issue is with Sibongile on Thursday. Lindo tried to expedite her surgery to transition, but money is a problem. The police request or question the family about Baby's Nosy's disappearance. Punyuga and Nkuleko arrive and accusations flies. Punyuga shows the family the security footage. Unfortunately, it doesn't reveal who the kidnapper is on Friday. Nkuleko takes strains because of Nosy's abduction, and Makhosazana is secretly guilty. Nokuzola suspects Bongile of being responsible for kidnapping. Mazolo suspects that Nokuzola had her own child kidnapped. Tusheleni offers Thandeka a place to stay, and Thandeka discovers money spilling out of a trap door in the ceiling. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.